Slick, sit down. Slick, sit down.
No. Come here. Ah, fuck! Putang ina.
What happened?
Shizuka.
Shizuka? I told you don't let her in. Buti nga sa'yo ni Malaka doesn't listen. Why Shizuka? Sige. Ha? Instead you're resting ka. Kapuya aning mga ero ba? Lagot ko. Sometimes I don't wanna attach with them anymore because when they're gone is so kuan. Masakit ala Nako, mga dirty na naman sila.
She's cleaning up, pa.
Dirty na naman, oh. You know that one, oh, Slick broke it. We cannot have a good kuan right here. Kay they like breaking things. One day, this house is gonna only the rope is gonna left alone. Tang inanag talaga, oh. Bibi, come here. Baby girl, why you suka inside? That's not good. Baby girl. Slick, don't touch baby girl, ha? He doesn't? Dad, I think Slick wants to get inside now. He wants to stay with his mama Gorda. No, dirty na naman sila. No? Ang duha, mga pensyonado, mga palamunin, no? Kana si Slick, scammer na siya. Scammer, ang mga scammers, oh, nandyan. Mga alipores ni scammer. You know,